On Saturday, February 28th, Interspecies Wrestling returns with a vengeance with Jam 3, the Free Red. Be there as the dominant Team Pazuzu take on the team of the brain-devouring Interspecies Wrestling Champion Izzy Denyet and his partners, the Bulldozer, Matt Tremont, and just signed Biff fucking Busen. Kitsune and Shinron, the ninjas with altitude, take to the skies in their attempt to steal the tag team titles from the newly crowned champions. Tremendous investigations of Bill Carr and Dan Barry. Also on February 28th, you will see Fluffy the Killer Bunny, Dirty Bucks Belmar, the ever-vicious Akuma, Loose Dumb Fucks, and more. Come on down to the Heirloom Arts Theater, 155 Main Street in Danbury, Connecticut on Saturday, February 28th. Tickets start at just $15. Get your ass down to the Hat City, and don't you dare miss Jam 3, the